Problem 5 is asking us to find the area of a mural in the hallway. So again, since we're multiplying mixed numbers, you can use the improper fraction method or the area model. But we've got Adelia's class created a mural in the hallway. The space they used for the mural is shown below. What is the area of the mural? Show all of your work, of course. You would always show all of your work. But again, we've got two different ways to do this. So let's start with improper fractions. I would take 2 3/4. 4 times 2 is 8. 9, 10, 11 is what I get when I add 3. Nope, not 11 thirds. Can't think and talk at the same time. 11 fourths is my first fraction, times 2 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Denominator's 2. Oh, this one's nice and easy. 11 times 5 is 55. 4 times 2 is 8, so that gives me 55 eighths. If I divide that back out to a mixed number, 8 goes into 55. Let's see. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. That gives me 7. So I would end up with 55 6 or 6 7/8. This or this, both of them are fine. If you do the area model, we can use this rectangle we've got right here and break this into 2 3/4 times 2 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3, I apparently cannot write 3/4. 3/4 times 2, well, we know that 2 is 2 over 1. So that gives us 6/4. 3/4 times 1/2 is going to give us 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 3/8. And then 1/2 times 2 is just going to give us 1, conveniently enough. And this one's not too bad because I end up with 4 plus 1 plus 6/4 plus 3/8. So the only denominator I have to convert is this one right here, which means I'm going to have 4 plus 1, so I know that's 5. And then fourths can easily go into eighths, so I'm going to multiply by 2 and by 2. So we'll have 12 eighths instead of 6/4 plus 3/8 gives me 15 eighths. Divide that back out, goes in once. And I get 1 7/8, so I just add my 5 and my 1 7/8, and I end up with, no way, same thing as before, 6 7/8.